In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the working elements in the FlyGuys website based on the user stories given available on our Trello board. The landing page gives the option to log in, sign up, or continue as a guest. Continue as a guest, you go to the home page where you can search for flights. Once you have entered the search bar, hit Let's Fly and you have a list of available flights. Tick and add to the basket the one required. In alert it says Flight add to the basket and click OK. If you're required to go to the basket, it must ask you to log in. Once you have entered your login details, you go back to the same page where you can access the basket. The basket view gives you all the list of all the flights that's being added to the basket and the form to complete the booking. You can delete the flight by clicking delete, or book the flight by just ticking the box book. The form will be half filled, and the remaining two, the person details a payment, will be required for booking the flight. Once the short form has been filled, you can just click proceed, and then a confirmation will be given saying the flight has been booked. Login is now safe to do and the flight is booked. Logging in as Admini gives the option to go to the Admini and you have all the list of flights available on the database plus the promotions. They can be deleted and added as you wish. There's a form at the bottom where you can fill the bottom and add a new flight, delete, or add it just by entering an existing ID number. For example, the number ID number 44 is going to be added. Instead of Madrid, it will be Paris, and the price will be no longer £35, it will be £40. You just click save, and then you keep to the next page. And at the bottom you can see now it's Paris and the price is £40.